Hi all, I just wanted to show you something that I was sorting out recently on my daughter's vehicle. My daughter's car is a Corsa D, and it has this catch on the rear seats, and it's quite awkward really. It took me a long time to get this thing out. The catch seemed to be in a good condition, so I suspected that there was something wrong with the mechanism rather than it had just failed. And sure enough, when I took it apart, I found this little spring here. Let me show you that. You can see the shape of it. Is secured to the pin. This pin will run across inside here. Don't know if you can see that, but as soon as the rear seat catch hits this lock, the pin shoots across and locks the rear seat in place. Now the problem is that someone had forced something or pulled it apart, and then this little spring had then become twisted. Now I've straightened it for the most part. It's still a little bit bent, but the point is that it had come off the place that it sits in here. So all I've done is straightened it. I'm going to put it back together now. That's quite an easy task really. You can see that the pin is secured in this frame, and that the frame will slot into there. I'm just going to pause the video and I'll put it back together again and show you what I mean. So I've attached the spring again now. You can see that that's quite a good fit. If I look at it end on, there is still a little bit of a bend in there, but this is not accurate engineering by any means. Everything is fairly sloppy the way that this fits together. So I'm not too worried by that. I'll continue to put it back together. You'll see that the spring easily fits into this plastic housing, and this in turn then goes back onto here in that manner. I'll just again pause the video, but you can see the plastic clips on there mate with the 3 holes that are in this plate. Let me put that back together again. Okay, so almost there. I put that top one in. I'll just press clip these into place. You can see that I've passed those 2 fingers into the sides of the spring. I'll put it back together. There we go. Okay, and now I'm going to test it. Bear with me. Okay then, right, I've put it all back together. You can probably see there. And you can see if I touch this with a screwdriver, imagine that this is the rear seat going back now. If I can do this without too much of a struggle. There you go. So this pin comes across. You can see it's all the way, and it activates this way. And to imagine that you're pulling on the seat release catch, which attaches to here, this hole. It takes it back to that position, so it's just come up from here to here. And then these 2 fingers pull the pin back, and that would be the position that would be in when the seat's down. I looked on eBay. These are anything between £30 and £50. So for the sake of just taking it apart, and that was the worst part, trying to get this bloody thing out of the seat, for the sake of that, I've saved myself at least 30 quid. Hope that's useful. Bye bye.